Good morning student. Today in our English period, now we continue with unit 3, and in unit 3 in our textbook exercise portion, in that page 48. Yes, in page 48 that second question is given, that write the story in your own word. So in our previous period we already discussed about this story which is given in page 47. Yes, pictures are given and then sentences are given downside of that particular picture. So now what we have to do in the second exercise, we have to write the story in your own words. So as I tell you that you have to try story in your own word. Yes, so now in this period we are going to write down that story. Okay, and in previous period I tell you that first, that is one, ask one another questions about the pictures, where is the fox and what is the fox thinking. So you have to thinking about answers of such questions. So now from 2, that second one, write the story in your own words, give it a title. Now I am continue with this second exercise. So now you people also be ready with your notebook and now start writing with me. Yes, so the second question, that is write the story in your own words. You have to write down story now in your own word, but this question is based on first question, that picture is given and the sentences are given downside of that particular pictures. So now we have to write down story from that pictures. Yes, so first of all give the title, The Fox and the Goat. The Fox and the Goat. We give the title to the story, The Fox and the Goat. Now write down story. A fox went to a well to drink to drink water. Accidentally he fell into it. He tried to get out but was not successful. In the meantime, a goat came there. She saw the fox inside the well. she asked him how all that had happened The fox was very cunning. He told the goat that he was enjoying the water. The goat asked him if the water was sweet. The fox, after this, write down. Continue. The fox very smartly replied that it was the sweetest. We already discussed about the story, yes, previously. Water he had ever tasted. The goat said, "Let me taste it too. Let me taste it too." He tasted too. He asked her to bend down. When the goat bent down, the fox hung on to the goat. After this, and came out of the water, and the god fell in. He went away. He went away, saying, now enjoy the sweet water. Enjoy the sweet water. The story, what story teaches us? The story teaches us that teaches us that we should be aware of cunning people. Yes, so what we learn from the story, that we should be aware from the cunning people. Yes, then after, now see, next third exercise given in page 49. Read the following news item. Yes, history becomes fun at this school. So one news item is given. Mumbai students in the 6th grade of a certain school in Navi Mumbai love their history lessons. Thanks to a novel teaching aid, it is not surprising given the fact that their study material includes comic books and they use their textbook for reference to put things into perspective. Besides, students are encouraged to tap other sources of information as well. So this is the one, means news item is given, and this news item is given, it is about the students in the 6th grade of a certain school, that school name school in Navi Mumbai. Okay, that students love their history lessons thanks to a novel teaching aid. Okay, and why they love that history lessons? So means their teaching way is quite something interesting. So that's why it is not surprising given the fact that their study material includes comic books and they use their textbooks for reference to put things into perspective. Besides, students are encouraged to tap other sources of information as well, and they use other sources of information as well. During history classes, students pore over comic strip, means they having a comic strips of historical. In that strips, what they written? Historical periods, then enact characters of emperors and tyrants. Tyrants means write about a rural emperors and have cruel rurals we can say, that is tyrants. Okay, have animated discussion. In animated, that is the method or the process in which they used the drawing, okay, diagrams and using the movement of that thing, okay, that animated discussion on the subject. History has become fun In the class, students are asked to read the comic strip aloud, and in the class means whatever they written in that comic strips, the information like the historical period, then enact characters of emperors and tyrants, yes. So they read aloud, after which they break up into groups of 4, discuss what they have heard and write a summary. Each group leader reads his group summary aloud and the whole class jumps into discussion and debate, adding points, disagreeing and qualifying points of view. So means they adding points also, discussion is there, debate is between them and disagreeing and qualifying points of view. A 6th grade student says it's a lot of fun because everyone gets a chance to express themselves and the summary takes everyone's ideas into account, and this is means quite interesting the people are found, because means everyone getting a chance to express themselves, show themselves, and summary takes everyone's ideas into account. So it is the way that they can share their own ideas. According to the school principal, the comic strip format and visual appeal to student, a historian feels that using comics in school is a great idea. And it's a great idea that in comic what the thing is there, that some pictures are given and then the little bit written about downside, yes, in that way. So they are using that strips, comic strips, and comic strips they write that things, historical events, dates, and the emperor's name, the cruel rural's names and all, okay. So they found quite interesting. A historian feels that using comics in a school is a great idea. Comics and acting help students understand what characters in the story and actually thinking, and they use the animated method also for this. So this news item is adapted from the Times of India, New Delhi, October 2007. So based on this news item, write a paragraph on what you think about this new method of teaching history. So now what you have to write down on based of the given news item, that you have to write down a paragraph on what you think about this new method of teaching, what you think according to you, okay. So write down that 3 and the whole news item we are not write down here in the question as it is given, okay. We write down direct answer for this, we are not writing that news item in our notebook, okay. So write down 3, that is read the following news item. And now here we are not going to copy that whole news item in our notebook. So simply you people write down here downside in the bracket, read from textbook, given in page, this thing is given in the next page, that is 49, okay. So just note it down, this news item you read from book. Now write down answer. This method of teaching, history is really very interesting, yes, very interesting and appealing. Students enjoy reading. Students enjoy reading comics. Then after, so they understand the facts easily. Visuals make a permanent print on their minds. Besides play, acting, helps them to know the nature and thoughts of the historical personalities. Thoughts of the, after that write down, continue, historical personalities. Okay, so this is our answer. That is, this method of teaching history is really very interesting and appealing. Students enjoy reading comics, so they understand the facts easily. Visuals make a permanent print on their minds. Besides, play acting helps them to know the nature and the thoughts of the historical personalities. Okay. Now, after this, next, that fourth exercise it is given, or we can say the fourth question. Find the chapters in your history book that correspond to the episodes and the events described in this comic. Note how the information contained in a few chapters of history has been condensed to a few pages with the help of pictures and speech bubbles. So this thing we are not going to do. Okay, so if you people want to cross this fourth question, then you can cross near to the given number, fourth one, cross it with the pencil. Okay, and then after, fifth one, create a comic of your own using this story. So one story is given and you have to create comic. So I just read it out story, you people just pay attention in your book. Once the sun and the wind begin to quarrel, maybe you familiar with this story. Each one saying that he was stronger than the other. So both are saying to each other that I am stronger more than you. At last they decided to test each other's strength. So a man with a clock around his shoulder, clock that is the coat, was passing by. The wind boasted, using my strength I can make that man take off the clock. So means, see my power, that I take off the coat of that man. The sun agreed. The wind blew hard. The man felt so cold that he clasped his clock round his body as tightly as possible. Now it was the turn of the sun, which shone very hot indeed. The man felt so hot that at once removed the cloak from his body. Seeing the man taking off the cloak, the wind conceded defeat. Okay, and then after means wind agreed that yes, you are more powerful than me. So you have to means what you have to do, you have to create a comic on the given story. So this thing also we are not going to write down in our notebook. You people just try to create comic on this in your rough notebook if you people want to do. Okay, so here exercise of this is over. Now we people are going to start explanation part of the poem, that is Macavity the Mystery Cat. Okay, so now you people open your English textbook and in that open this poem which is given in unit 3, Macavity the Mystery Cat, and now just pay attention in your book. So Macavity the Mystery Cat. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? So means you having a pet cat, or have you noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. So it is not easy that we can say that every cat is a mystery cat. But Macavity is one for sure. But for Macavity, it's the name of the cat. We can surely say that it's a mysterious cat. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? And what is the thing that we can say, yes, it's a mystery cat, make him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. So Macavity is a mystery cat and we can call him a hidden paw also. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy, that means who can disrespect or break the law or disobey the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Means he is the bafflement, that much he creating confusion between the Scotland police, that much he create confusion. The flying squad's despair. So the police is not able to caught him easily, means they are not able to caught him. That much confusion is created by this Macavity, and at last they lost all the hope. Okay, so student, in this period up to this much I stop here. We continue with this poem in our next period. So just read it out whatever we just now completed. Try write down the comic of that 5th exercise. Last that story is given. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.